Stop struggling with messy handwriting. Discover the typewriter's journey to revolutionize writing. Handwriting was slow and tedious. People needed a faster way to communicate. Enter the typewriter. Early inventors faced big challenges, but their efforts paved the way for mechanical writing. Then came Christopher Latham Scholes, who created the first successful typewriter. Teaming up with Remington, they mass-produced typewriters, changing offices forever. And the QWERTY layout? It's still our go-to keyboard today. The 20th century saw typewriters boom in businesses, homes, and even pop culture. Remember the sound of keys clacking in old movies? Electric typewriters took it up a notch with speed and ease of use. Then, computers arrived. Typewriters took a back seat, but their influence remains. From keyboard design to word processing, we owe it all to typewriters. Today, vintage typewriters are collector's treasures, and mechanical keyboards are making a comeback, offering that nostalgic typing experience. The typewriter's legacy lives on.